Hello everyone, Helen here and welcome. Today I'm going to be making a slimline card using the Fairy Doors stamp of the month for February. I also brought in slimline grass dies from MFT. So I'm going to go ahead and get started on the coloring. I am giving some love to my Stampin' Up! Alcohol markers. It's been a while since I used them. And what I like about these markers is that they have a light and a dark color. So they've already done the work for you where you don't have to find a matching color to go with this. So it comes with 2 in a pack and like a dark color and a light color. So I will put all of the names of the markers that I used down below, and I'm going to go ahead and play some music. So enjoy the coloring and I'll be back when the coloring's done. I hope you enjoy the coloring process, and I've gone ahead and highlighted some of my images, and here's the finished product. And now we're going to go ahead and ink blend a custom background. I took out my shaded lilac and I'm just putting circles in random places on my cardstock, and now I'm using squeezed lemonade, and again I'm just putting it where I want them to go. There's no rhyme or reason to where I'm putting them. I am using tumbled glass here, same thing, and I got this color combo again from Pinterest, and I just searched sky backgrounds and I came across this one. So here I'm just smoothing out the colors, and so far I'm loving how it looks, but you know, I wanted to try something different because I'm dabbling with mixed media. So I've gone ahead and spritzed some water on there, and I'm drying this with my heat tool at the lowest setting. And then I'm taking out my Wilted Violet Distress Oxide Spray, and this is actually my first time using this. And then I took out my Avery L white spray as well. And here's the finished product. I don't really know what to think. Like, I'm just like, I just want to test it out and see how it looks. But in the end, I ended up liking it. I guess I'm just kind of, I wasn't crazy about the wilted violet at first, but sometimes when the card comes together, it just looks so different that I end up liking it, but when I first saw it, I was like, oh my gosh, I am not crazy about this, but I wanted to keep on going. I didn't want to start all over and waste another paper, because it doesn't really look that bad. And so here are two of the green colored cardstock that I've gone ahead and die cut with the Slimline grass dies. And I popped up the bottom one. And that's how it looks. So far it's coming together. Now I'm going to go ahead and put my images that we colored earlier, and I'm just placing them where it's pleasing to my eye. I know I wanted the wishing well to be a focal point, and then I was just going to dress it up with the mushrooms and the butterflies as well as the lanterns. And I'm really loving how this looks. And the yellow looks like it's peeking through the clouds, if that makes any sense, or like it's sunset and then it's getting dark, and it really looks like a fairy background to me. I've also gone ahead and stamped my sentiment, make a wish, so this can be a perfect birthday card for that special someone. And I just glued all my images down with my Lawn Fawn glue. Now, while I'm gluing this down, I just want to talk about the stamp set. It is still available at the Not Too Shabby Shop, and Jaime also carries many other different brands, and I will have a coupon for 10% off your purchase. So head on over to her shop and see what she has. There is something there for everybody. So let me know in the comment section what you think of this card. I hope you enjoyed this, and if you did, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and happy Valentine's Day. Bye.